Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Von DUPRIN number 109324. This is a latch mounting bracket kit. So in the kit, you're going to get the brackets. You're going to get a couple of plates that you're going to use when attaching. I'll show you shortly what they were used for. These thin plates are used for attaching to. And then a whole mess of fasteners, machine screws, and some star washers. Let's first take some dimensional properties of this item, then we'll talk about why you would use it. The overall height of the bracket, and there are two of them, just heavy on 2 inch, about 2 1/8. Overall width, about 1.5 inches, inch and a quarter. Well, that might be depth. This might be width, about 1 3/8 inches. Okay. A couple of small flat plates. That'll show where these are going to go in a moment. Okay. And then we're going to have, you're going to need 3 6 flathead. These are probably 1032 would be my guess, is what these are. And these are going to hold the bracket onto the latch assembly itself. And then we're talking about your machine screws, and that's what's going to allow you to attach it down to the door itself. And then there are some star washers that's here. Probably the best thing to do is to simply take a peek at the screen view, which will allow us to take a look at the installation instructions, which will simply illustrate how this is going to go down. Let's do so now. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Okay, here's the item that we are looking at. Let's take a look at some photographs that we have linked to here down below. The package, the backside. That's everything in the package. Kind of showing how it might go together. Different views of the main bracket. Zinc-coated steel. Weighs about 0.325 pound, by the way, a package. That's the shim, and then there are all of your fasteners. 6 of each, 6 of everything here, 18 pieces. Okay, the item itself shows what it would look like going together. There is a, let's copy our part number first. Let's open this link to the manual here, and then when that loads, do a Control F or find function for 109324. It's item number 3 on the drawing. There's item 3 showing what's included. That shows up twice in the document. Latch Mounting Bracket Kit. Okay. 2 per set. Everything that you see here and here. Now, the installation instructions I had mentioned earlier, link to down below as well, 33, 35, 47 installation instructions. They give us a tip-off what that's going to look like. But as we scroll through the document, we'll come across the installation of the rod, the concealed rod, and there you go. So this client ordered 2 packages, so he's got clearly, well, what I would imagine to be a pair of doors. You'll need 1 bracket at the top, 1 bracket at the bottom like they're showing here. That's your shim. If you need to move your latch out a little bit, you'll go ahead and do so. Your door is going to obviously be drilled and tapped with this reinforcement that's here to get that installed. So sometimes just seeing is the best way to understand how that works. And the installation instructions from Von DUPRIN are exceptional. They do a real good job showing us what it needs to look like at the end of the day. There you go. Below this video is a link to the manufacturer's page right here, where you can click on that. You can pull up not only all of the Von DUPRIN products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation as seen here, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as link to the full product catalog and several encyclopedic documents that are here as well. There's certainly going to be templates that are here, common part manual, technical manual, warranty, electrical options, things of that nature. If it's encyclopedic about Von Duprin, that's where we'll keep it on that page. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Okay, in conclusion, pretty typical item that you're going to bump into relatively frequently in the sense of service parts. I don't sell these brackets very often, but I can tell you that when we do, the client usually needs them right away because you've got a door that is obviously not performing the way it ought to. Exit devices aren't ordered by people because they like the look of them or they just have to have an exit device. They're dictated by code, by occupancy, by the code that's being used, and the occupancy meaning how many people and what code is being used for emergency egress. So keeping that significant investment in exit device hardware initially up and running is a good thing, just happens to also be required by code for life safety. The name Von Duprin is synonymous with high-quality exit devices across the board. In fact, they invented the very category of panic devices or exit devices. Exceptional technical support over there. They're not the least expensive exit device, but when you consider the overall cost of panic hardware on your building, it's very likely that Von Duprin will be the least expensive overall. If you have any questions on the Von Duprin 109324 Latch Mounting Bracket Kit or any other Von Duprin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.